Hey there, everybody. I am gathering up the scraps from a magazine harvest, and then I found another pile of scraps in another book. I want to make a messy book today. I know that this is a little out of the box, but that's okay. We've been talking about flow, we've been talking about doing things our way instead of, hooking ourselves into potentially making ourselves unhappy by, we always think about trying to make our things look like everybody else's. And the great thing is that you, my friend, are an individual, that you have a different creative sense from anyone else. Perfection is often neglection. We're trying to make something look so perfect and so much like everybody else's and so much like the beautiful charcuterie board. We're trying to create perfection. And often when we just cannot achieve that perfection, then we kind of drop our projects and we stop doing those little things that make us happy. So today I'm just going to kind of make myself happy. I'm going to make myself a little messy book. I'm going to start here because I think this is a super cool image. This is a napkin that I collaged onto a piece of paper, and it also has the word home with it. I want to just kind of give this a little crease right here. I have not decided how I'm going to bind this messy book. So what I'm gonna do in true messy fashion is kind of choose some images that I liked, and I've already done that. I'm going to kind of fold this like this. It's not going to be perfect, but it is going to be a great way to end a creative day. So these are my pages, and each page that I do, I'm going to use this as a template. Kind of get it centered here. I like books where everything is sticking out. I love to see notes. I love to see papers. I love to see anything that is random or haphazard or just plain strange that resonates with me. I'm going to fold this one, and let's fold this one as well. Okay, so we've got that. What was on here? Oh, that's pretty. Let's fold this one as well. Let's see what else we got over here. These are just scraps. I mean, I just picked up a random stack of scraps. Let's do that one like that. Got one like this. This might fit. This is Da Vinci. Yep, that one's going to fit. And I think to capture his face, I'm just going to kind of off-fold that one. So we're just going to make something that is amazingly messy. This is Venice. This is so beautiful. Last year, no, it wasn't last year, like 2020 was a historic incidents of flooding in Venice. This is St. Mark's Square. I have been there. I have been standing right there. I don't think I will ever go anywhere again, but that's all right. That's okay. No worries. Now, how can I bring like this to life? I have a lot of headlines over here, and I could do that. So, just make the inside of my book a little more interesting. So let's add words. Can't think of anything more interesting than adding some words. So what are we going to call this? It's a random book. It's a messy book. It's going to have tattered edges. It's not going to be straight. It's going to be a little bit out of the ordinary. It might not even be pretty. I don't really know. Bring your vision to us. That will work there, right? Have you ever heard that comparison is the thief of joy? Sometimes I think we get kind of caught up in that when we're, when we're crafting and having fun, and when you go, oh, that doesn't quite look like the tutorial, and instead of going, well, it's okay. We might get upset, and we might get unhappy with the outcome. When really, man, it's yours. It's your art. It's your style. It's what you want to do. Stay happy. Find your style. And maybe your style is like mine. No style. That's kind of what it is. But it's no style, but it's always interesting. It's always fun. There's always something going on. What do I see? Kind of like that, but I might use some quotes. Some of these quotes and words along with my pages over here. I kind of like that idea. I like that idea. Ooh, I like that one too. I like the word everything. I'll put that right there. What do we have here? Hey, a moth. I might put that over there. That's pretty. It says Secret Garden. Okay, do I need anything else here? Like I said, I'm not super sure how I'm going to put this together as far as binding it goes. Might have to do that tomorrow as it's getting on near supper time. That's pretty. I might put that over there. Anything else I can find? You'll notice these are some of the things that we made when we did our magazine harvest today. I'd love to know what your favorite magazine is to harvest and what you do with the things that you harvest from that magazine. Not that you really have to do anything with it. You could just have an image folder, and that, it may bring you all kinds of joy. So, you don't always have to do something with everything, right? All right, so we've got the inside of our little book done. Now, let's put together the signature. So that's what things are looking like so far. I really love that purple. Okay, let's get our pages together. and see how we can flush them out. There's Leonardo. You know what? I think for Leonardo, might like to have, yes, a little bit of a butterfly right there. That's cool, isn't it? Again, you know, this might stick out a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. All right, let's get, I kind of like the idea of having this in here. This. I love water. So anytime I see things that have water going on, that's what I gravitate to. But I think what I want to do is kind of put this in the middle. Okay, so I've got that. I really dig this purple. I'm going to have this too. Okay. All right. So there we go. That's what it'll look like when I've got it put together. And you can see that it's sticking out nicely. It's not quite all together. All right. I'm thinking about ways to put this together. I'm also thinking about how nice that little lotus would look right there. So we're going to do something definitely with the cover as well. I think I'll bind this in the next video because the dogs are hungry. And I'm hungry as well, and it's time to make supper. So we'll finish this in the next video. We'll call this the messy book. And it'll be a two-part video, messy book number 1 and messy book number 2. So thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Stay tuned for that next video. See you later. Bye.